Now, last lesson we started looking at the sharing sign, didn't we? Do you remember the sharing sign?
Mm-hmm.
Divide by. And you told me that a 10 and a 4 shared between the two of us. And if we're not sure, we make a 10 and a 4. We make a 10 and a 4. What do we get each?
7.
Odd 7. What about if we have 14 tens to share between the two of us? If we have 14 apples to share between the two of us, how many apples do we get each?
We get...
If we've got 14 apples,
7
we get
apples.
7 apples. If we've got 14 bunny rabbits to share between the two of us, what do we get each?
We get 7 bunny rabbits.
Mm-hmm. And so what do you think if we've got 14 tens to share between the two of us?
70.
7 tens, exactly. Look at that, see if that makes sense.
Makes sense.
Makes sense? I'm just going to write the number and I'm not going to say anything.
Five tens, I think.
Okay. Read this in Pebble Maths Talk.
12 tens.
12 tens to share between us. How can we use our mirror game reverse to work out what 12, even 12, shared between us? We have to make a 12 together. We have to make a 10 and a 2. We make a 10 and a 2 to share between the two of us. What do we get each?
6.
We get even 6.
6 tens.
So it'll be 6 tens. Very well done. What have we got to make together?
We've got to make a 10 and an 8. I get 9. 9 tens.
9 tens is absolutely correct. Well done. Good job. Now what about this? Can you share the tens and the ones between us?
Yes. It will be the same as...
Yes.
Add 3, so we'll get 6 tens and 3 ones.
We'll get 6 tens and 3 ones. Look at that. That's quite a big sum, isn't it? Very good. Very good. Now you can divide these big numbers by 2. You can share those. Let's try one more. 100, I'll say it in school talk, 148 divided by 2. Can you say that in Pebble Maths Talk?
14 tens and 8 ones divided.
To share between you and me. Okay? Mirror game reverse.
7 tens and 4 ones.
7 tens and 4 ones. I think that deserves a big red tick, don't you? Well done. Now, we've had lovely even numbers of tens here, haven't we? Lovely even numbers of tens. What happens if we have an odd number of tens? Because that makes things a bit trickier. Let's look at 3 tens and a 6 divided between you and me, shared by you and me. 3 tens and a 6. Even 2, even 4, even 6, even 8, even 10. One lot of 10. Even 2. What's it, darling?
Nothing.
Even 4. They make a lot of noise, don't they, my pebbles? Even 6, even 8, even 10. 2 lots of 10s. Even 2, even 4, even 6, even 8, even 10. That's 3 lots of 10. I better move this. Okay, so what have I got on the table, my sweet?
We've got 3 tens and 6 1s.
We've got 3 10s and 6 1s to share between you and me. So we're going to go out somewhere. I've got $36 or 3 10s and 6 1s to share between the two of us, and we each want to know how much we can spend. So we're going to look at our 10s and we say, we don't like this. This is an odd number of 10s. So we're going to look at an odd number, and can you tell me, what do we do to an odd number to make it into an even number? We take 1 away. Beautiful. So if I've got an odd number of 10s and I want to share it with you, that's a bit tricky. I've got an odd number, so I'm going to take 1 away. Can we share these 10s now? How many 10s will we get each?
1 10.
1 10. Now what am I going to do with this 10? I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to shove it over here with the 1s. How many have I got in the 1s now? How many have I got in the 1s now?
1 10 and 6 1.
1 10 and a 6 1s. That's for us to share. So let's do our mirror game reverse. 1 10 and 6 1s. And how many are we going to get each?
We're going to get 8 each.
So all together, how many 10s and how many 1s are we going to get?
We're going to get 1 10 and 8 1.
Beautiful. Now I'm going to write down a different number of 10s, an odd number of 10s, and see if you can do it. I'm going to write down 7 10s and a 2 divided by 2. What don't we like?
We don't like the...
We don't like that. That's an odd number. What are we going to do with the odd number to make it into an even number?
We're going to take it to the 1s.
We're going to take away a 10 and give it over to the 1s. And how many 10s will I be left with here now?
6 1s.
Can we share that?
Yeah.
And how many 10s will we get each now?
3 10s.
And if we share the 10 and the 2, mirror game reverse, how many 1s will we get each?
6 1s.
And that is correct. If we had 72 strawberries to share between you and me, we would get 36 strawberries each. Now what if we had, because we like to do big numbers, don't we? What about if we had 134 to share between you and me? Now that's called 134 in school talk. Can you read that in Pebble Maths talk?
13 1s and 4.
13 10s and 4 1s. Do we like 13 10s to share between you and me?
No.
Because it's an odd number, right? So we'll take 1 away and that'll leave how many 10s?
12 10s.
12 10s. And what do we do with the 10 that we threw out?
We will put in with the 1s.
And how many 1s will we have now?
14.
Lovely. And now we're ready to share. 12 10s shared between you and me, mirror game reverse. 10. So how many 10s will we get each?
6.
6 10s. And how many have we got in our 1s now?
14.
Let's do mirror game reverse to share that. And how many 1s will we get each?
7.
Odd 7. Perfect. You can now divide anything by 2. Good job.